Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone storage full in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check what's taking space. Now open settings, then general, then iPhone storage. Wait a moment to see what apps or files are using the most space. Step 2. Delete unused apps. In iPhone storage, tap any app you don't use, tap delete app to remove it and free up space instantly. Step 3. Offload unused apps. Now go to settings, then search for App Store. Now turn on offload unused apps. This removes apps you rarely use but keeps their data. Step 4. Clear photos and videos. Now open Photos app, delete unwanted photos, videos and screenshots. Then go to recently deleted and empty it to free the space. Step 5. Delete large messages and attachments. Now open settings, then general, then iPhone storage, then message, review large photos, videos or conversations and delete what you don't need. And that's how you can fix iPhone storage full. Also follow those quick steps to free up space and keep your iPhone running smoothly. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.